What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on Stellar Lumens here, currently down about 3.5% for the day, sitting just below 29 cents at 28.9. But before we do that, folks, man, I feel it in my throat. I am definitely getting sick. Go ahead and run through the market before we do that. Market cap is sitting at 329 billion. Today's volume is 16.2 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 38.6. Still haven't broken through our 7,600 resistance. I believe that is still the pretty major resistance. If not, expecting a nice little sell-off. Ethereum up about 0.09, sitting at 577. Ripple down 0.62, sitting at 61. Bitcoin Cash back below 1,000. EOS sitting at 1211, down 2%. Litecoin down 1 as well. Cardano down 2. Lumens 3.5. IOTA up almost 4. Big winners today. Dragon Chain up almost 12. Damn, I was just talking about it yesterday to pick some of this up too. Of course, that would happen, always. Kyber Network up 10. Theta token video for that coming soon. I did see your comment. Huobi token up 7 as well. Nebulous up 5.5. And Ontology up 3. But you folks came here for some Stellar Lumen. Market cap sitting at 5.3 billion. Today's volume is 66 million. Circulating supply 18.5 billion. Total supply 103 billion. Major exchanges here, folks. Binance, Upbit, BCEX, Kraken, Poloniex, and Bittrex and HitBTC, I believe, are the major exchanges. Let's go ahead and look at some price action. So this is BTC to USD on the weekly. Nice little triangle we're still stuck in. As you can tell, we've made the low this week all the way down to 7,100. Let's go ahead and switch over to the daily, actually, get us a better view. So I'm expecting a little bit of consolidation here. And, expect some consolidation at this level for a couple days. And then what I'm waiting for is the break and close above 7,600 on the daily, or the break and close below 7,000 on the daily. So if we break below 7,000, next level is 5,000. If we break above 7,600, I believe we're going to be heading towards the upside. However, we do have to break through our major resistance here at about 8,500, which would be the top of our little ascending triangle. Once we break this, Bitcoin should just, full steam ahead. Nothing's going to slow it down. But again, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. As you can tell, higher lows starting to be formed here on these daily candles. So looking like, we're leaning towards the upside, but no clear signs just yet. Just be patient. Switching over to Ethereum USD on the weekly. Ethereum came down, touched our major support here at about 500. Since then, it's kind of been retracing towards the upside. Let's go ahead and switch over to the daily, see what the daily's showing us. We don't need this trend line because this one was broken. However, this one is valid. So this is what I'm waiting for on Ethereum, folks. On Ethereum, I'm actually waiting for that break and close above 600. Once we break and close above 600 on the daily, Ethereum should be good to go. As you can tell, higher lows being formed here on the daily candles. We did come back down to not only touch our horizontal support, but also our dynamic support here for confirmation. So I'm bullish on Ethereum, just waiting for that daily close above 600. Let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin, sitting at 118 right now. Looks like we do have a potential double bottom here forming, folks. This would be bottom 1 and then bottom 2. Go ahead and switch over to the daily, see what the daily's showing us. It is moving a little bit slower, but that's all right. I like the stability. Double bottom here forming on Litecoin, folks. Bottom 1, bottom 2. What I'm waiting for on Litecoin is the break and close above 120. Once we break and close above 120, Litecoin should be good to go. As you can tell, momentum definitely starting to shift towards the upside. However, we do have this major resistance here at 120, so just be patient and wait for that break. But you folks came here for some Lumen to BTC technical analysis. This is the weekly we're looking at. Nice little uptrend we're respecting. Formed that higher high, higher low. Failed to form the higher high. However, it does look like we have a higher low forming here. No confirmation just yet. We are bouncing off our dynamic support and off our horizontal support as well. So that's a nice little confirmation. Let's go ahead and switch over to the daily, see what the daily's showing us. And now I'm really just trying to finish this video because I heard the dogs barking, and that might mean my dog might have jumped the fence. So now I'm just kind of trying to speed up the video. But as you can tell, pretty major resistance here at about 4,500 satoshis. Nice little downtrend we were in. We actually broke out of this yesterday, and now it looks like we're coming back down to test it for support. What I'm waiting for is the daily close above 4,000 satoshi, folks. Once we break and close above 4,000 satoshis on the daily, Lumen should be good to go. But again, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Where do I see Lumens going in 2018? Go ahead and zoom out. First target here, folks, is about 15,000 satoshis. I don't expect this to be hit until the end of 2018, but again, just my personal opinion. And then my second target, I thought I had it listed, I guess not, is about 30,000 Satoshis, and I don't expect this to be hit until 2019, about 2 months in. But again, just my personal opinion, folks, not a financial advisor. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed. You have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.